curved piece of wood flooring is cut to size with a box cutter and a black duct tape template. A baseboard's end piece is cut at a 45-degree angle and flipped to ensure a tight fit. Watch as this tile setter uses a multi-tool to custom cut a tile trowel to neatly notch out a thin set for tile spacers. Old carpet is hauled away by creating incisions and folding it in on itself to create a handle for easy lifting. A 2x4 with a pencil attached is rotated to create the perfect circle with an angle grinder. After measuring a door hinge with an adjustable template, suction holds it in place while mortises are cut out. A ruler positioned at a 90-degree angle is rotated counterclockwise up against two screws to create a perfect circle. Black tinted plaster is applied to a wall and manipulated with a sponge to create a faux stucco look. Holes are drilled in the lid of a 5-gallon floor adhesive bucket to ensure proper distribution and rollout. Chain link fence privacy tape is quickly fed through each link before being wrapped and stapled with a staple gun. After tracing a circular cut with a bucket, an angle grinder is used to finish the custom putty knife. Watch as this man moves heavy concrete slabs with ease using a vacuum pavement lifter with an adjustable arm. A quickie scribe is used by a pool deck builder to precisely transcribe a marking line around curved pool coping. A floor layer inserts skewer-like sticks into a piece of cardboard to trace a difficult cut around a door jamb. After attaching a hole saw drill bit and a dust capture bag to the wall, 2 perfect holes are produced. A circle is sketched and then scored diagonally with an angle grinder to create a hole in the tile. After wet plaster is spread over a fake brick template, various sponges and tools are used to produce a faux look. A marker is attached to a tracing tool, which rides a wheel and traces the contour of a wavy wall cut.